Opening up this COSORI mini air fryer. This is a 2.1 quart for the first time. Let's peel that off the top. This one has about a 3-foot, 4-foot cord, 2-prong outlet. Plugged in, we'll turn it on. We can choose the different settings. We can go through reheat, air fry. Very nice. So this one is tiny. That's why we got this one. It's not going to take a lot of space on the counter. Comes with a basket. This is a square one, so it's going to lend itself to muffins and things like that. I guess there's some little arrows there to help indicate which way to set it in here. That should keep grease and things to a minimum. Great for reheating. This is going to be a perfect size for a slice of pizza. Looks great, super sleek. Hope this helps.